So I am super excited because today I am at Dr. Fiorillo's office and I am going to be getting Emsculpting done on my abs and on my glutes. I'm so happy because I work out a lot. I go to the gym a lot, but this is just gonna really give me that enhancement that I've been dying for. And that I really want. You know, I've been working really hard, so I decided to give myself like a little extra treat. So come on. So the staff here is already super amazing. I got a goodie bag already on site. I'm just so excited. Look who's with me. Hey girl. We are so excited. So I'm guessing this is the machine for the Emsculpt. It does say Emsculpt, so yeah, it's gotta be. Yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, so at first I was considering getting cool sculpting done, and that's where they put this machine on you and they freeze your fat cells. But when I showed her my body, she said, "You don't have enough fat, sis." So I'm like, thank you, but I'm kind of sad because I definitely think, you know, like I could look a little bit more better. But she said I am a better candidate for the Emsculpt, and she's going to give me an hour treatment. So I'm just super excited about that. No, but wait till you feel them. All right, y'all, I am about to start. We're not starting at 100. We're only starting at a little bit, and we're gonna go gradual, right? All right, so whew, I'm ready for my results. Okay, so right now the machine is going, and I definitely feel my abs. It's kind of like an electric tingle, but not really like electric, but it's definitely, I feel it, and it kind of tickles. And I'm not ticklish, so this is honestly really funny. But I feel my abs contracting. This is so cool. 20,000 sit-ups.
20,000 sit-ups in 30
My,
minutes.
in 30 minutes. Y'all, I'm excited. And these sit-ups, they said like no sit-up or crunch at the gym is equivalent to this. So like you can't get these results in the gym. So I have 11 more minutes left on this, and the time flew by. The time honestly flew by for this. And I can feel them abs contracting. Like, wow. Whew. This, I feel like my whole body is.
Yeah, it is.
Like, isn't that noticeable? But it feels good, and I'm definitely gonna be coming back for all my treatments because I don't know why it makes me laugh. It makes me laugh because I'm happy about the results I'm about to get. I'm on my last minute, and honestly, like, I definitely would say that I'm used to the feeling. At first I was like, oh my gosh, what is this? It was super unfamiliar, but now I'm just like, if these lights would have been out, I could have taken a good old nap and just woken up with my results, and I'm super excited to see what this is going to look like. So right now I definitely can notice a difference with just kind of like how much tighter my stomach is. But the best part is with the Emsculpting, it does release the lactic acid as you go, so that means like that's why I'm not cramping up or anything. But I can feel the result, like I can see the results, but not really feel like I did all 20,000. For the glutes, I am so excited, y'all, because if you know me, you know that I love squats. I'm about to get 20,000 right now. I'm ready.
Here we go.
Okay, I want y'all to get my first impression. Oh, it's kind of like a little, it feels like I'm getting electrocuted in my ass a little bit, but you know, this is the most action I've gotten in a while, so I'm here for it, and yeah. Okay, so I have 3 minutes left, and I am feeling great. It's definitely not as painful as I thought it was gonna be. 20,000 squats have never felt this good. I don't even know how long it would even take me to do 20,000 squats in the gym, but that's what I'm getting done right now in 30 minutes. So this is a really cool experience. This Emsculpt machine, it also has different pulses. So what it does is, of course, it's like giving you your squats, but some of the pulses, they release the lactic acid. So that is why I will not be sore, and I will be able to get back to my regular daily routine immediately after I leave here. So I just got the 20,000 squats, and now I'm about to get another round on my abs. We're gonna put it on the lower part, right? So we're gonna get it a little bit lower. So today I actually get 40,000 sit-ups. I'm super excited. So this Emsculpt is not used with radiation or anything. This is electromagnetic waves. To be honest, like this year, I just want to go 1,000% and get my dream body that I've always wanted. Sorry, the machine is going off right now if you guys hear anything, but I really just want to achieve like Cam's best body, and I've been eating way better. I've been going to the gym super heavy, and I just wanted to just get these little enhancements to help me feel a little bit more comfortable in my skin. It's so funny because I've posted like little clips of me and like the results just from my first day of getting this Emsculpt, and I'm already having just such great responses through my Instagram, and everybody's just like, oh my gosh, like your body, sis. And everybody's like, I didn't know your body looked that good. But I've never ever like felt confident or comfortable enough to even post a picture with my bare stomach. So when I finally did after my Emsculpt treatment, everybody's just like, yo, you get what I'm saying? So I'm happy that it's at least giving me the confidence to do that. Like, and I feel really comfortable here as well. The entire staff, they are super friendly, super kind. Like, I really feel comfortable here. So I really wanted to point that out because customer service to me is everything, and I'm definitely getting that from here. And for the Emsculpting, it is advised that you get 2 treatment per week for how many weeks, Marie? Is it 4 weeks? Yeah. 2 treatments per week for 4 weeks. I'm going to be traveling a lot within these next 4 weeks, but I'm definitely going to be trying to squeeze in 2 sessions a week if I can. But if not, I'm definitely going to be doing at least once a week sessions. And I want to take you guys through this journey with me, and I'm definitely going to be trying my best to eat as good as I can, because you're not gonna get the body of your dreams from just doing this. You have to actually work for it too, and diet and exercise are going to matter just through this entire process. So I wanted to point that out, but I'm excited for you guys to come along on this journey with me. I'm feeling confident enough to share this experience and to show you guys my body. That's really like a huge step for me. So make sure you come and check out Dr. Fiorillo. I will put all of his information in the description box. And you can use my discount code MTVCAM for 25% off of your next service. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure you like this video, comment if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and let me know.